All right, welcome to the UWE overview. And the person that shared this video with you saw you as somebody that has a goal to either build wealth or you want to manage and protect your finances better, or you might even have areas of your finances that you want to repair or improve, which was me. 9 years ago, when I found out about UWE, I had six figures in debt, a low credit score, no savings, no insurance. I needed more income. My finances were out of whack and I did not know where to start until I was introduced to UWE. And since then, everything's changed from our zip code to so many other things from this roadmap. And I want to share with you how it can help you with your financial goals. And also, I want to start by telling you what's happening right now for Americans and their finances. In fact, we just broke a record for an all-time high of over $18 trillion in American household debt. That is not government debt or corporate debt. That is just us and our everyday bills. Did you also know over 100 million Americans have a credit score less than a 700, which means they're either not getting approved for what they want or they're paying a higher interest rate in monthly payment. Did you know there's over 1.5 million car repossessions in 2024, which is the highest ever, and it's a 16% increase from the year before? 65 million Americans don't have an emergency fund or savings for an unexpected event. Over 1 million identity theft claims each year and growing, and 60% of Americans don't have a will or a trust. Or if they do, for a lot of them, it's not up to date. Now, I want to take a quick look at credit because credit isn't everything, but it is an important piece to the wealth building strategy. Did you know it's over $15,000 in credit card debt per household, and the interest rate is average over 24%? Here's a very good visual of two people buying the same items, but one person has bad credit. That person is going to spend $56,000 more on these same items simply because of that three-digit credit score. Here's a quick look at all the things that credit affects: getting a cell phone, bank account, an apartment. I didn't know this until years ago, but your car insurance rates are affected by your credit score. Buying a car or a home, getting promoted on certain jobs, financing a funeral, getting credit cards, utilities, financing furniture. Credit affects so many things that we do on a daily basis, and it's important for us to get it as high as we can. Let's look at a quick look at retirement. I didn't think about this because when I first learned about this, I was only in my 30s. But guess what? You want to get your retirement secured early instead of waiting until you hit retirement age to try to figure it out. And right now, 48% of people, so that's half of Americans over 55, have zero retirement, which means they have to continue working into their 60s and some into their 70s because of not having this together. And we're here to help with that and help you with your plan. So, welcome to UWE. We've been helping clients for 22 years. The company was founded in 2004. They've developed multiple products and services to help people. The company is debt free, so you could be excited that you're working with a company that has their own finances together and they have a dedicated management team still here serving people over 20 years later. Now, welcome to the protection plan that's designed to help you in all of these areas of your finances and more. So, here's how it breaks down. The first piece is our budgeting system. Did you know most bad finances start with a bad budget? So if you have a bad credit score or a lot of debt, it starts with budgeting. So our budgeting system is going to help you plug in your finances and stop money that's slipping through the cracks. It's at least going to show you where money's slipping through the cracks. The average person saves $200 or more per month on their monthly expenses just from using our budgeting system. Then we have our credit repair system and credit builder. Credit repair is working on removing negative errors and items from your credit report. For me, my credit score was in the low 500s and my score went up 172 points in just 4.5 months using this part of the service, which was worth it by itself. And so my score went over 700 for the first time in my life because of using these tools, and it's included. The next thing is credit monitoring. So you get access to all three credit scores and some additional tools to help you build and protect your credit. What about debt payoff? Do you have debt that you want to get rid of faster? Well, with our debt payoff program is showing people how to get out of debt faster and save money and interest. In fact, we have some of our clients that have been set up with a plan where they're paying their mortgage off 10 years early because of the debt payoff program. We have the YFL Family Mint, which is short for Youth Financial Literacy, which means our clients and their kids get to learn personal finances from home online. We also have Rocket Lawyer. We partnered with Rocket Lawyer, which is a nationwide network of attorneys that is going to provide you legal protection. So if you need advice or documents reviewed and other common legal needs, those are included in your membership. And then the more complex legal things, you get a discount on it. We actually just helped somebody set up a LLC for less than $200 for using Rocket Lawyer. We have credit attorneys to assist you if you have legal challenges with the creditors. We have identity theft protection included as well. Again, with over 1 million identity theft claims, it's not a matter of if our information is out there. It's just when it gets exposed, and we want to make sure we have protection. We have a system for building up your savings. And we have a lot of our clients that have now built up more savings than they've ever seen before. A lot of people have never seen $5,000 in their savings or 10,000. Some people have reached over six figures in savings from using our system. We have financial lockbox as well, which is like an online safe deposit box to help you store, protect, and organize everything in one place. Not just your financial stuff, but your personal stuff as well. We have a net worth tracker to help you build up your own net worth. And we have an estate plan service that's included. So you get your will, your trust, your financial, and healthcare power of attorney all included in the protection plan. I got this done my first week of becoming a member here 9 years ago, and you get to update it as well. But let me share with you, if you had to pay regular price for all these items, how much do you think it would be? See, we did the research, and if you hired a financial advisor to help you manage your money better, get, help with your budgeting and savings and all these things, debt, it would be either a one-time fee of $1,000 to $5,000, or you would pay an hourly fee of $100 to $500 per hour. What about credit repair? Well, there's services that you could pay all up front, $500 to $2,500, or pay monthly, $100 to $200 per month. To get your will and trust done is $1,500 to $5,000 to sit down with an attorney and get this done. You guys get my point. Like, to add all legal advice, $250 per hour, and to get documents reviewed and everything else, credit monitoring, identity theft protection. What about financial education? Again, would be pretty expensive to go through a whole course or a class on it. And then I didn't talk about this yet. We'll talk about it in a minute, but we just recently added our travel club where you automatically earn travel credits for being a client with us. And so if you paid full price for all that, it would be thousands of dollars. But our clients get access to everything for $188 the first month because there's a setup fee. And after that, it's just $89 a month, which breaks down to less than $3 a day. There's no contract, no annual commitment, and you just pay month to month. Now, obviously, with people building credit, they're going to obviously need to give it time for that process and so forth, but there's no contract. And $9 per month from every member's monthly payment goes to the YFL program to bring scholarships and financial education to the kids. And we even partner with schools to do that. And so as I get ready to end, I want to wrap up by introducing you to our new travel club. So the way it works is simply for being a member of the protection plan. Each month you get travel credits. And after 6 months, you actually get to unlock a trip, and you have a tracker in your customer portal. And after 6 months, guess what happens? You can choose where you want to go, literally hundreds of thousands of destinations all over the world, and you get a discount on the location that you decide to stay. So here's a good example. This location is Spain, regular price $1,500. Well, that's for 7 days. Our price $429, which is 71% savings. Here's a location in Bali where you could save 57% with our travel club. And here's a location, a penthouse, staying there for 7 days in Bahamas is going to cost $5,300, but our price is 92% savings and only $430. And again, that's all included in the protection plan. And so, welcome to UWE. Now you see what all the excitement's about. What you want to do is get back with the person that shared this with you. Let them know which parts of the services are going to help you the most with your goals. They'll help you get set up. It takes less than 5 minutes. Your information is secured as well. And if you want to learn more about our referral program and how you could get other rewards and perks and trips, make sure you check out our next video that breaks that down. Welcome to UWE. We'll see you guys over the top. Have a good one.